All right, everybody, I wanted to show a problem that I found with Alpine, uh, these gigantic screens right here. So for anyone that's having issues with these turning on, Alpine uses what they call a power plate. If you notice on this plate, there's little notches here. The notches go into the stereo a certain way. I didn't find anything showing anybody any of this, but you can see this will slide into those notches. So if you notice, this is a 2023 Tacoma. It has a kit that has to be screwed down only. So the only way to get to this is to actually loosen the plate. You're gonna have to grab the Alpine screen. You may need someone else's hands to help you with this. So once you get this on there, you're gonna have to try to align it with the bezel on there and then slide in this power plate. And that's the only way to achieve getting the bezel, the mount on there to fill in the space in the dash and mount this power plate. And that's all I have for you today.